Today, we will create a unique and modern PowerPoint slide that's perfect for both professional and creative presentation. Let's get started. First, right-click on the slide background. Go to Format Background. Choose Picture or Texture field and insert your desired image from a file. Next, go to Shape, select Rectangle and drag it across the slide. Remove the shape outline. Change the fill color to black. Then increase the transparency so the background image becomes slightly visible. Now insert a hexagon shape and drag it to your preferred size. Remove the outline and under shape fill choose slide background fill. This blends the hexagon with the background image seamlessly. Let's add some depth. Apply an outer shadow effect to the hexagon. Adjust the transparency, size, blur and distance to create a soft modern look. Now, duplicate the hexagon shape as many times as you like and arrange them across the slide in the stylish pattern. Select all hexagons. Go to Animation tab and apply the zoom effect. Then, set the first shape to start with previous. Open the animation pane. Set the second shape to delay 0.1 second. The third 0.2 second. The fourth 0.3 and so on. Click on Effect option and select from center for a smoother reveal. This creates a beautiful cascading animation that looks clean and professional. And that's it, your modern animated slide is ready. Want the editable PowerPoint file? It's linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more smart design tutorials.